At just 19 years old, Kimi Antonelli isn't just breaking track records, he's breaking the bank. While most teenagers are figuring out their first job, this Italian prodigy is signing multi-million-dollar contracts with the Mercedes-AMG Patronus F1 team and living a life that most of us can only dream of in a racing simulator. Today, we are going behind the scenes of the most talked-about lifestyle in the paddock. From custom-built supercars and private aviation to his secret real estate investments in Europe's most exclusive tax havens, this is exactly how Kimi Antonelli spends his millions. Welcome back to the channel. Before we dive into the luxury, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Our community is growing fast, and we are tracking every single move of the 2026 title race. You don't want to miss the inside scoop on the stars of the grid. Let's talk about the cold, hard numbers first. After his dominant win at the 2026 Miami Grand Prix, Antonelli's market value has reached unprecedented levels for a rookie. While Mercedes keeps official salaries confidential, top paddock sources and financial analysts estimate Kimi's debut season contract at a staggering $3.5 million as a base salary. But that is just the beginning. With performance bonuses for podiums and wins, plus his personal endorsement deals with giants like Puma, Monster Energy, and Akrapovic, Kimi's total earnings for 2026 are projected to surpass $12 million. Now, when you're 19 and you have $12 million in the bank, what do you buy first? For Kimi, the answer is always speed. As a Mercedes factory driver, his daily driver isn't your average sedan. Kimi has been spotted arriving at the Brackley headquarters in a personalized Mercedes-AMG One. This street-legal Formula One car costs over $7 million and features the same hybrid technology he uses on the track. But his collection doesn't stop at Mercedes. Being Italian, Kimi has a deep-rooted passion for the masterpieces from Maranello and Sant'Agata. Rumors from his hometown in Bologna suggest that he has recently added a Ferrari 812 Competizione to his private collection. A car that costs upwards of $600,000 and is reserved only for the world's most elite collectors. But the luxury doesn't stop at the garage. In the world of Formula One, time is the ultimate luxury, and Kimi spends his millions to save it. For his travel between the Mercedes factory in England and his family home in Italy, Antonelli frequently utilizes private aviation. Whether it's a chartered Gulfstream or a private Cessna Citation, a single round trip can cost upwards of $30,000. When you're the future of a multi-billion-dollar team like Mercedes, flying commercial simply isn't an option. Then there is the fashion and the accessories. In Miami, the world noticed Kimi's wrist game. He was seen wearing a prototype IWC Big Pilot's watch, custom-made for the Mercedes drivers. While you can't buy this exact model in stores, similar timepieces are valued at over $80,000. From high-end Italian designer labels to custom-tailored suits for FIA gala events, Antonelli's wardrobe is a reflection of his status as the new king of F1. However, Kimi isn't just spending on toys and clothes. Under the mentorship of Toto Wolff, who is a billionaire himself, Antonelli is making smart moves with his money. Reliable sources indicate that Kimi has already started his real estate portfolio. He recently secured a luxury penthouse in Monte Carlo, Monaco. This move isn't just about the view of the harbor. It's a strategic decision to join the likes of Max Verstappen and Lando Norris in the world's most famous tax haven, ensuring his millions stay in his pocket rather than going to the taxman. Despite the glitz, the glamour, and the millions, those close to Kimi's say he remains the same kid who obsessed over go-karts. Much of his spending also goes back into racing. He is known to fund his own high-end simulator setup at home, costing over $100,000, allowing him to practice every corner of the 2026 calendar in hyper-realistic detail. He also supports his father Marco's racing team, Antonelli Motorsport, helping the next generation of Italian drivers find their way to the grid, from a karting sensation to a global icon with a bank balance that rivals Hollywood stars. Kimi Antonelli is the definition of the modern F1 superstar. He has the car, the cash, and the championship lead. The 2026 season has made him a multi-millionaire. But the real question is, can he handle the pressure that comes with the luxury lifestyle? Or will the distractions of Monaco be too much for the teenager? What would be your first purchase if you signed a Mercedes F1 contract? a private jet, or a collection of vintage Ferraris? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one of them. If you found this deep dive into Antonelli's lifestyle interesting, smash that like button and share this video with your fellow F1 fans. Don't forget to subscribe for our next video, where we break down the secret upgrades Mercedes is bringing to the next race. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.